Hey guys, it's Brandon and I'm back at it again, keeping that Stickmore train rolling. And this time I'm going to be talking about the Stickmore Hair Company Waterbased. Now, what makes this stuff unique is well, it's just a stronghold, medium shine Orthodox water base that has a good scent and is the first real like Orthodox water base of the Stickmore line. So let's get right into it. The jar on this is one of my favorites. I think this is my favorite so far of the Stickmore company. I like just kind of the blue and kind of blackish colors, like kind of looks kind of like a lightning swirl almost. And then it has the silver with the logo and all the writing. It's really nice, really appealing to the eyes. The scent on this is the same as all the other Stickmores. It's like a light cologne, although each one smells a little bit different because of the ingredients. This one has almost like, it's a light cologne, but it has almost like a sweet pop to it. Out of all of the Stickmore brands, the new iterations, the 3 new iterations, this is my favorite rendition of the scent. Scoopability is what you would expect from a gel type. We pulled out a lot. And breakdown as well. It scoops out really easy. Now this stuff breaks down almost kind of like, I would say, kind of feels like a cake batter. You know, some of the water base, the Orthodox gel types, they break down like just to nothing. But this one, when you're putting it in, it feels like there's something in your hair. It definitely, to me, feels, the breakdown is similar if you've tried any of the Cool Grease products. It reminds me of the Cool Grease fiber, the way that it breaks down. Application is pretty easy. I don't feel any tug and pull. I see maybe like a hair here and there, but for a gel type, it's nothing out of control. You know, it's nothing like too bad that you would say, oh man, this is, you know, especially for something that's a strong hold or like a heavier hold product. Like usually when you're putting those stuff in, you can definitely, you know, you can definitely feel it. But this stuff, it's pretty nice application. Slicking it back, you can see it glides right through, really easy. And when I applied this stuff, I applied with a slightly damp hair. Like I left work and I had my hair pretty wet, and then did a few stops this morning and it was kind of drying out by then. So I usually prefer kind of like with these gel types, like a damper type application. But today I'm doing slightly dry. And that's okay too. So just damp, slightly dry, and I feel like it works. You get a better hold, I feel like, for most gel types. But slicking back is really easy. Styling, I'm going to use the Afro pick. You can see for a gel type, you can get some decent shape. You know, some of the stronger gel types, it's hard to get like, you know, like you get more of a blocky one, and like a blocky type style. But this stuff, you can definitely feels, and you can get it looking pretty natural. And I noticed the stuff on the shine on this, when it dries up, it's people say my hair looks pretty shiny with it in, but that's because I have darker hair. I feel like personally, to me, it looks a little bit more on the like it says, kind of like the medium natural side, almost natural. Definitely can tell that there's something in your hair. So what are my thoughts on the Stickmore Hair Company Orthodox Water-Based Stronghold Medium Shine? Well, I'm gonna make this one short and sweet. I think some of the good qualities definitely stand out more than the bad qualities. One of the good things I really like about this is that it is a stronghold and it has good endurance throughout the day, but it feels like a medium water base. And you know that there's a definite difference, especially when you're using like a gel type Orthodox water base. So I definitely like that. I like that it feels lighter, but it has a good hold. The one thing that this product suffers from, that the 3 new Stickmore products, leaving the oil based out, but the 3 new Stickmore products suffer from are that it leaves like a residue when you wash it out. So it takes about two washes to wash this product out of your hair. Now that's not really out of the normal when it comes to gel types, at least for me. I notice when you use the firm or the stronghold gel types that for me, it takes about 2 washes to get my hair feeling 100% clean and clear again. So I can't dock it that much because of that, because that's something that I've noticed comes with gel type Orthodox water base. Other than that, I really like the product. I like the scent. I like the endurance. I like the way that it styles. Like I said, you can get a really nice style out of this for a firmer, stronger hold gel type. So overall, I think it's pretty good. If I had to rate this, I'd give this 4 out of 5. This is a great pomade. If you're looking to try a new gel type, you know, and you want to switch it up from something that you are, you know, usually using, give this a shot. Definitely won't be disappointed. Like I said, though, only thing I can say is that it takes a little bit more to wash out. But other than that, it's a good work pomade, especially for the type of work I'm doing, and since I'm constantly on the heat. If you guys have tried this, let me know. If you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comments, and have a good one.